Welcome to the bookkeeping puzzle. Lesson: Computer Accounting and Bookkeeping. What you'll learn. Why computerized accounting? Switching from a paper ledger to a computerized bookkeeping system is like trading a bicycle for a sports car. Both get you from point A to point B, but one gets you there significantly faster, handles the sharp turns of tax season with ease, and doesn't leave you exhausted at the end of the day. For any business, making this transition transforms financial management from a tedious chore into a powerful strategic tool. Here is a breakdown of the core benefits. 1. Speed and real-time automation. In a manual system, every transaction requires multiple steps: writing it in a journal, posting it to the ledger, and calculating balances. Computerized systems automate the heavy lifting. One-click data entry. When you enter an invoice or a receipt, the software automatically updates the general ledger, customer accounts, and financial statements simultaneously. Bank feeds. Modern software connects directly to business bank accounts and credit cards, securely pulling transactions daily. Instead of typing out details, you simply match and approve them. 2. Drastic reduction in errors. Human error is the biggest wildcard in manual bookkeeping. A single transposed number, writing 89 instead of 98, can take hours of hunting through paper trails to find. Mathematical precision. The software handles all calculations, ensuring your columns always balance. Built-in validation. Many systems catch duplicate invoice numbers or mismatched entries before you even hit save, keeping the books clean from the start. 3. Instant financial reporting. With a paper-based system, generating a profit and loss statement or a balance sheet usually means waiting days or weeks after the month ends while numbers are tallied. On-demand insights. Computerized bookkeeping gives you a snapshot of your business health in seconds. Want to know your net profit or check your cash flow at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday? You can run a report instantly. Data visualization. Most platforms offer dashboards with visual charts, turning raw data into easily digestible trends regarding income and expenses. 4. Simplified tax compliance and auditing. Tax season goes from a mad scramble through shoeboxes of receipts to a streamlined, organized process. Categorization. Expenses are sorted into tax-ready categories year-round. Digital trails. You can attach digital copies of receipts and invoices directly to the transaction entries. If an auditor or accountant ever needs verification, the proof is right there on the screen, linked directly to the line item. 5. Secure data backup and accessibility. Paper ledgers are vulnerable to physical damage like fires, floods, or simply being misplaced. Cloud security. Modern cloud-based bookkeeping systems automatically back up data to secure servers. Remote access. You, your business partners, or your accountant can securely log in from anywhere, whether you are at the office, working from home, or traveling. The bottom line: a computerized bookkeeping system doesn't just save time, it provides the accurate, up-to-date financial clarity needed to make smart business decisions. 1. Speed and real-time automation. In a manual system, every transaction requires multiple steps: writing it in a journal, posting it to the ledger, and calculating balances. Computerized systems automate the heavy lifting. One-click data entry. When you enter an invoice or a receipt, the software automatically updates the general ledger, customer accounts, and financial statements simultaneously. Bank feeds. Modern software connects directly to business bank accounts and credit cards, securely pulling transactions daily. Instead of typing out details, you simply match and approve them.